welcome back to my channel. It's Alice Walker here from AliceWalker.London. Today we are here to do a lash hack, eyelash hack. Let me tell you a little bit of history of how I ended up with next to nothing eyelashes. Basically, I went on a holiday, and when I went there I wanted to wear a false lash, so I went to one of the eyelash technicians to apply false lashes, and unfortunately they used a really strong glue. Can you imagine? And when I came back to London and I was trying to take it off, Fortunately, I couldn't take it off. It was so hard, and when I managed to take it off, it came up with a lot of my lashes. Since then, it's never really grown back the same way as it used to be. So since then, I've been on a hunt to look for like something that is gonna either grow my lashes or a technique that I can use to make my lashes look fuller and longer. I was actually on YouTube and I came across this YouTuber, this beautiful YouTuber called SMITHA DEEPAK. Let me actually confirm the name. Let's make sure that the name that I'm pronouncing is really right. She's called SMITHA DEEPAK. Yeah, I hope I'm pronouncing the name very well. If I'm not pronouncing it well, pardon me. And she did this hack that I absolutely love. It blew my mind away. So I decided to try it. I'm going to be trying the SMITHA DEEPAK hack on how to get a fuller and longer lashes. And yeah, I'm not going to be talking too much. We're just going to crack on with it basically. Okay, what she used were basically mascara, which is the M.A.C mascara, and I'm actually going to be using a volumizing primer and also the lash curler and pretty much a blow dryer. So these are all we're going to be using today. We are going to curl the lashes, and before we curl the lashes, we are going to warm up the curler. Apparently it helps curl the lash. So I want to see if it works for me, if it works for somebody with a really thin lashes. If it works for me, I'll be using that every single day, and I'll probably be toning down on the lashes. This is the curler I'm going to be using today. I purchased this from Superdrug, and this is how it looks like, you know, just an ordinary eyelash curler, and there it is. This is it. Okay. Firstly, we're going to warm up the eyelash curler. Don't make it too hot because you don't want to burn your eye. And we're going to curl. And we're going to do this one. I've curled it with the warm eyelash curler. I'm not sure if there's any difference, but yeah, this is how it's looking at the moment. Okay, so now we're going to be applying the lash primer, and the lash primer we'll be using today is the Ultimate Boost Volume Primer. There it is, this one, and it's from Rimmel. This is what I'm going to be using. Hopefully it will make a difference. Let's see. And I'm applying from the root to the tip. Okay, I've applied the primer on one. Now I'm going to be applying on the left lash as well, so there you go. Okay, so yeah, I finished applying the primer, and this is the lash with primer on it. This is how it's looking at the moment. Now we're gonna apply the mascara. When you apply the mascara on, it helps the lashes look much fuller and much longer with the primer on, and also it makes the mascara on your lashes look bolder. The mascara we're using is the M.A.C mascara. Let's see. I'm gonna start off with the right eye first. Also, I forgot to say, the primer stops the lashes from getting stuck together. Oh my goodness. So now I'm going to apply from all the way from the root up. Do not apply mascara on the top of the lash because apparently it's gonna clump together. So this is it, guys. There it is. I'm gonna zoom in for you to see. This is how it's looking, and I'm actually going to insert the before next to it and then after next to it. I think I can see a big difference, and yeah. Considering I don't have thick lashes, I feel like this has worked perfectly, and this technique is very, very good. And I love it. I think I'll be using this technique. There it is. This is how it's looking at the moment, the final result. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching and take care. God bless. Bye. See you soon.